Cyclones are among nature's most powerful and unpredictable events. When they strike, they can uproot lives within minutes, cutting off electricity, water, and communication. Yet, while we cannot stop them, we can reduce their impact through preparedness. The most effective way to protect yourself and your loved ones is to assemble a complete Cyclone Emergency Kit. It's not about fear, it's about readiness, calmness, and having the confidence that when the winds rise, your family is safe. Let's begin with the essentials: water and food. Every person in your home should have access to at least 3 liters of drinking water per day for a minimum of 3 days. Store it in clean, sealed bottles or containers, and remember to replace the water every 6 months to keep it fresh. If possible, add water purification tablets. They can be lifesavers if you need to collect water from an uncertain source. For food, choose non-perishable items that are easy to prepare and require no refrigeration, like canned vegetables, beans, fish, energy bars, peanut butter, and dry fruits. Avoid items with strong odors or that can spoil easily once opened. A manual can opener is essential because power failure is almost guaranteed during a cyclone. Next, include a comprehensive first aid kit. This should have bandages, sterile gauze pads, adhesive tape, antiseptic cream, scissors, safety pins, painkillers, anti-allergy tablets, and oral rehydration salts. If someone in your home has a chronic condition like asthma, diabetes, or hypertension, store extra doses of their medicines. Add a list of emergency contacts and medical conditions written clearly in waterproof ink. Keep all medicines inside a sealed, moisture-proof bag. Your first aid kit is not just about injuries, it's your immediate healthcare system when hospitals and clinics are inaccessible. Now, let's move to safety and survival tools. Include a reliable flashlight or headlamp, and always store extra batteries. Power cuts can last for days, and a flashlight helps you navigate safely in darkness or signal for help. A hand crank or battery-powered radio is vital to receive government warnings and weather updates, even when the internet is down. Add a whistle to call for attention if you're trapped, and a sturdy multi-tool knife for simple repairs or cutting rope. Keep a power bank, fully charged, and recharge it every few weeks to ensure it's ready when needed. Place your identification documents like ID cards, passports, home ownership papers, and insurance documents in a waterproof folder or Ziploc bag. Hygiene is another pillar of survival. Poor sanitation after a storm can lead to diseases like diarrhea, cholera, or skin infections. Include hand sanitizer, wet wipes, sanitary pads, toothpaste, toothbrushes, soap, a towel, and a small mirror. For families with babies, add diapers, formula, bottles, and baby wipes. For the elderly, include adult diapers, mobility aids, and any special medication or comfort items they rely on. Don't forget masks. They can protect you from dust, mold, and contaminated air after a cyclone. When the storm passes, warmth and shelter become immediate needs. Keep lightweight blankets, thermal sheets, a raincoat, a poncho, and waterproof shoes in your kit. Pack an emergency plastic sheet or small tent that can act as temporary shelter if your home becomes unsafe. Store a few candles or solar lamps for light when batteries run out. It's also wise to keep a small roll of duct tape. It can help fix leaks, tears, or even hold your shelter in place during heavy winds. Another important but often ignored category is communication and navigation. Include a small map of your local area, showing evacuation routes and nearby hospitals or shelters. Download emergency numbers and store them both in your phone and on paper. Mark the nearest safe zones on the map, and discuss with your family how to reach them if you get separated. Having a written plan can make chaotic moments more organized. Think about your pets too. Keep a small stock of their food, a water bowl, leash, and carrier ready. During evacuations, frightened animals can panic. Having their supplies ready ensures they stay safe and calm. Let's not forget the emotional and psychological aspect of cyclone preparedness. Disasters bring fear and confusion, especially for children. Add small comfort items like a favorite toy, a book, or a small puzzle to help them stay calm. Adults can include a notepad and pen to record important details or write updates when communication devices fail. Mental stability during emergencies is as crucial as physical safety. When your kit is complete, pack everything into a waterproof bag or hard-shell container. Label it clearly and store it in an easy-to-reach place, preferably near your home's exit. Make sure every family member knows where it is and how to carry it. If you live in a multi-story house, consider preparing a smaller second kit upstairs in case flooding prevents you from reaching the main one. After building your kit, maintenance is the next key. Review it every 3 months. Replace expired items, recharge batteries and power banks, and test your flashlight and radio. Teach children how to open food cans and use the radio. Practice a short evacuation drill once or twice a year. It only takes 10 minutes, but can save precious time when disaster strikes. Cyclones cannot be predicted precisely, but they can be prepared for wisely. Awareness and readiness make the difference between panic and control. A well-prepared kit is not a luxury, it's a necessity that provides safety, confidence, and dignity during disaster. When you know your family has everything needed to survive independently for a few days, you can face any storm with calm and strength. So, take some time this week to build your Cyclone Emergency Kit. Walk through each room and think, what would I need if the power went out or if I had to leave in a hurry? Pack those things, label them, and keep your kit ready. Share this knowledge with friends, neighbors, and family. The more people who prepare, the safer your community becomes. Remember, safety begins long before the storm hits. Stay calm, stay prepared, and stay informed. This is not just about surviving a cyclone, it's about building a culture of safety and resilience. You might not be able to stop a storm, but you can surely outsmart it with preparation, awareness, and care.